Hey everyone, time for What's in the Shop Wednesday. It's a little late in the season, but we got a gorgeous Harley Davidson in back here, getting things buttoned up for the spring, so he can hit the road right away. We'll get the camera spun around and you can see what's going on. So this one came in, it's a 23, it was pretty hammered from insects, rock chips, that kind of stuff. So 3-stage polish on most of it up front, just to get rid of as much of the damage as it could. And then installed a full Cruz Armor paint protection film package, fender, front fairings, side covers there, tank rubs, top, front, and back on the saddlebags, and then up underneath the top of the rear fender there too. And top everything else off, got a beautiful CCI advanced ceramic coating. So this guy's gonna spend more time riding his bike than he is cleaning it. Have a great day.